Hi there, today I'm going to be helping you with some grade 2 Trinity College clarinet scales and arpeggios. They're slightly more advanced than they were at grade 1, but there's a little bit of repetition. So the first scale that we're going to do, there's 4 altogether, and the first one is still only 1 octave. So we're starting on a low note and we're staying completely in the lower register. And this one is going to be E minor. Now this is a tricky fingering for this one because we've got to start on the low E. This key here, as long as it works on your clarinet, would be good. E, and then the F sharp is this right key here. You can actually do an alternative fingering, but that's the one I'm going to show you for today. And don't forget to play a B natural. And then when we get to the D, we have to play a D sharp by adding this side key here. So this one is E minor, and it's actually a harmonic minor scale. There's 3 different forms, and that's the one I'm choosing to teach today. So this is the scale. So that's E harmonic minor, and I chose to do that one tongued for you. Let's quickly show you the arpeggio as well. I'll do that slurred. Okay, so that's the only scale we do 1 octave for grade 2. The next scale is a little bit of something that you did for grade 1, F major scale again, but this time we have to do it 2 octaves, which means going up into the upper register and up over the break. So hopefully you've already learnt some of these notes. I just quickly show you. Your low F I'm going to do down here. Of course we've got the B flat again, but instead of stopping on the F, we're going to carry on to the G, the A. I'll just show you that way. Add the register key on the back to get the B flat, and then it's up into the upper register, C, D, E, and F. So let's have a go at that one. I'll do this one tongued for you. And the arpeggio, I'll do this one slurred. Okay, so that's your first 2 scales done. We've got 2 more to do. So number 3 is slightly unusual. We've got to do C major, which is, the great news is it's no sharps or flats in this one, but it does go over the break because we've got to do something called a 12th, which means 12 notes. So instead of doing 1 octave or 2 octaves, we're going to go somewhere in between the 2, and we go up as far as the G for this one. So that's 12 notes above the C. So we're going to go from your C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B in the upper register, C, and then carry on up to D, E, F, and G. And then we turn around and come back down again. So this is C major scale, a 12th. And the arpeggio. And you noticed hopefully that I played the top note twice and the last note twice. We always do that with the 12th arpeggios. It makes it more musical and it fits to a better rhythm. So try and remember to do that if you can. So that's 3 down, 1 to go. And the last one is a G minor scale. Now this one is a little bit more complicated because it's got more sharps and flats in it. It's actually got 2 flats in the key signature, which will be a B flat and an E flat, which is the same as a D sharp if you've learned that. 2 fingers in the side key. But then we've got to do 2 octaves for this one. So we've got to carry on up into the upper register. We'll get the B flat there. The E flat, if you think of it as a D sharp, that might help. D in the upper register with this little key on here gives us an E flat. We've also got to play the 7th note as a sharp because we're doing the harmonic minor. And we're going to be playing an F sharp to do that, okay? So this is G harmonic minor starting on a low G and going all the way up to G in the upper register. Don't forget to keep this register key on at the back, okay? I'll do this one slowly for you. And the arpeggio. Okay, good luck with those. Hope they go well. Get practicing.